Celebrate good times. It's math. It's math time, boys and girls, with Mrs. Kondo. Boys and girls, today we're going to continue our addition. Let's look at our standards for today. We're going to go over KOA2 again. Read it with me. I can understand addition as putting things together so we can add them, right? And today we're also going to look at this one. KOA5. Say it with me. I can add and subtract with fluency. So we're going to work on those two knowledge for college, okay? And do you remember our essential question? Do you remember? How can I use objects to add? That's our essential question. So as we're doing all these activities, I want you to think, how can I use the objects to add? Okay, so today's objects, we're going to use these. And guess what? I bought these at the dollar store for $1. Isn't that amazing? Let's review our symbols we're going to use today. Do you remember him? Yes, it's Peter the plus sign. Remember, Peter's going to join. He's going to help us add objects and find out how many in all, okay? Do you remember the other sign? It's Ellie, the equal sign. Remember, Ellie is at the end of the addition sentence, and she's going to show you how many are in all. And both sides of Ellie equal the same. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. So today I'm going to use these little dice here. And up here I'm going to have my number sentence. So let's look at this. So we're going to use this as our model for our groups. Okay? So look here. And you can make up a story as you go. But these dice are going to be our model to our addition sentence. Okay, and you, like I said, if you don't have a dice, you can use a block and add little dots to the blocks. Familias, estos de aquí los encontré en el Dollar Tree por $1. Si no tienen, pueden usar cubitos y ponerle los círculos, ¿ok? Si gustan. O usar objetos en casa, como quieran. Okay, so once again, we're going to use these dice as our model for our addition sentence. And look. There's the plus sign, there's the equal sign, and we're going to put the first group here, the next group here, and then we're going to find out how many what? In all. Are you ready? Okay, and did you notice I did a circle? Because we're going to join them together, right? When we do adding and we do addition, we add things together. Okay, so what's the first group? 2. Good. What's the next group? 1, 2, 3. How many in the first group? How many in this group? How many in all? What do we need to do again? We need to join them and count them. Ready? Go. 1, 2, count on. 3, 4, 5. That's easy. 2 plus 3 is, how many did we say? 5. All right. 2 plus 3 equals 5. There's 2 ways to say it, right? 2 plus 3 is 5. And guess what? I can make this a different one. Let's see. I think I want to do 1 here. Ooh, look at this one. Actually, let me switch them. These are pretty cool. You can actually roll them, but I'm just going to turn mine. Okay, and remember, you can also create a story. Let me tell you a quick story using these dice as models. There are 6 birds flying in the sky. One more decides to fly with them. How many birds are flying all together? Wow, how many birds were flying first, boys and girls? That's right, 6. How many birds joined them? That's good. 1. Read it with me. 6 plus 1. Oopsie, remember they're in the circle, so we need to do what? Join them. Say count on. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count on. 7. You don't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1 again, right? No, that's not counting on. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count on. 7. How many in all? Yay, 7. Isn't that cool? I love using these as models to write my addition sentence. Can you say addition sentence? Good, addition sentence. Let's continue. Okay. Let me switch these around here. Ooh, look at that. How many in my first group? 2. How many in my next group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, 5. Say it. 2 plus 5 is, what do we have to do? That's right, join them and count how many in all. And then we're going to write the total number here, right? The number here show us the total. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good counting on. 2 and 5 is what? 7. Good job. Let's do one more. For this one, I think I'm going to tell you a quick story. Are you ready? Let's see. Ooh, let's see here. Ooh, I like this one. Hey, do you notice something? I do too. And we'll go over our little song later after this. Okay, here's my story. There are 4 flamingos standing in the water. How many flamingos were standing in the water? 4. 4 more joined them. How many flamingos are there in all? Okay, did you hear that? What was the first group? What was the number of the first group of flamingos? That's right, 4, right? They were standing in the water. Do you notice when I write my numbers, I go to the top? We never write from the bottom, always from the top. Good, the first group had 4. How many joined them? Good, this is the next group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you notice these numbers are the same? Yeah, the same number for the groups. Say it with me. Remember, we're going to write the total right here. The number goes here. These objects here help me add so I know how many there are. Let's go. 4 plus 4 equals, we got to count, don't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! 4 plus 4 is 8. All right, look at that. Did you see what I saw? 4 plus 4, aren't these the same? It's the double. Everyone, let's sing our song. It's the doubles, baby, it's the doubles. It's the doubles, baby, it's the doubles. 1 plus 1 is 2, peekaboo. 3 plus 3 is 6, pick up sticks. 4 plus 4 is 8, don't be late. 5 plus 5 is 10, a big fat hen. It's the doubles, baby, it's the doubles. It's the doubles, baby, it's the doubles. Boys and girls, thank you for working so hard. So don't forget, go ahead and watch the video at least 2 to 3 times and do your math worksheets. Celebrate good time. It's math.